This is number 31 on page 191, and I'm factoring this trinomial, and it doesn't look too tough, but I noticed that the lead coefficient on this quadratic trinomial, the 6, is not prime, so it's not just that I can go, oh, it's 6x and x, because I've got for 6 the factors of 1 and 6, or the factors of 2 and 3. So I have some choices for the lead coefficients. And then with 10, I've got a 1 and a 10, and 2 and 5. So I'm going to actually split this out and show my trial and error both ways. I'm going to start with 6x squared being a 2x and a 3x, because that's a possibility. And on this side, it would be a 6x and a 1x. So either way, I would get a 6x squared with these two, or a 6x squared with these two. So I'm going to combine, and I'll use pencil, a 1 and a 10. And I say, can I use a 2x and a 30x to make a 7 in the middle? No. And a good thing to do is to stay away from the real extreme ones, the extreme values, when this number is not real big. The value of the 7, the coefficient, is not real big. So probably better, even if I was to use a 10 here and a 1 here, 20 and 3, I'm not going to get anywhere close to a 7. So once you recognize that, you probably wouldn't even try those, and you'd probably go right to the 2 and the 5. So if I put a 2 here and a 5 here, I'll have a 4x and a 15x. Can't make a 7x with that. And a 5 here and a 2 here would be a 10x and a 6x, and again, I can't make a 7 with that. So really, 2 and the 3x's, the leads are out. So that one is not going to work. And I purposefully went through the trial and error with every wrong possible combination first. So I'm going to be using the 6x and the 1x if this factors. And again, instead of trying the 1 and the 10 first, I'm going to go for the smaller values, because 6 is already big, and I'm certainly not going to want to multiply that by 10. So anyway, I'll try, I won't put the 5 with the 6 either. I'll put the 2 here and the 5 here, and then I say, can I use a 12x and a 5x to make a 7x? And that's finally when the answer is yes. So 6x times 2, this would be a 12x, and this would be a 5x. And obviously one's got to be positive and one's going to be negative, but I want a positive 7x, so this has to be a plus 12x, making that a plus, and then a minus 5x here. So I'll let you FOIL that back and leave the check to you, but that is some trial and error that you will learn to just get better at as you practice.